Alright, morning guys. So we're here in Tbilisi, going out to explore today. I finally got some good sleep for the first time in a while. Slept in a proper bed after sleeping in those kind of remote guest houses for the last 2 nights. So do another walking tour. Walking tour here in Tbilisi starts at 12 p.m. It's about a 15-minute walk from here. It's about 11:30, so we're probably going to head over in just a minute. I'm excited to explore. I feel like a walking tour when you go to a new city is just the best way to get the lay of the land, see the different areas that you might find of interest, and then you can always follow up, go there a little bit later, and kind of get more detail into what you're looking to see. So it's pretty hot here in Tbilisi today. I think it's supposed to get up to like 88 degrees. So I got the shorts on. Wearing some of these clothes for the first time. Most of my clothes I have worn. I think I packed just enough clothes, even with the the washing of the clothes that we're able to do in Kiev. But anyway, I'm excited to explore. One thing I might do is I might take the cable car or gondola, whatever you call it, the funicular. I don't know if you could see, but it's in the background and it actually goes completely over the city. And my Russian friends that I met when I was up in the mountains, they told me that you can take it up. It's a beautiful view for sunset, and there's actually a restaurant up there. So maybe that's something that we'll do later today. We'll see. Hey guys, we're doing the walking tour and we're joined by this dog who's following us around. Not sure why, but he's on the tour. I'll show you guys him in a second. He's up there. It's super hot out in Tbilisi today, learning a little bit about Joseph Stalin, who's actually from Tbilisi originally. This building over here is actually where he once studied years ago. So, not the most proud son that they have of Georgia, given all the the terrible things that he did under the Soviet regime. But it seems pretty interesting. It's definitely a really unique city, being at the heart of in between Asia and Europe. Technically, because it is on the east side of the Caucasus Mountains, it is in Asia, but it still considers itself a part of Europe. And here's the dog here. He's been following us along. Hello, doggy. Yeah, it's pretty high up.
Yeah, you can see the river flows here, the cliffy rocks that way, and the mountain with the main citadel, main fortress. So we gotta cross the street over here, but before. I know you're also tired. It's really warm today, so I really want to thank you for the energy. Your heroes that it's really warm today.
Hey guys, so we just finished our walking tour of the city. So I actually met another American for the first time. Her name's Kenzie. She's from Atlanta. She's actually working for a non-profit organization in Ukraine. So she's been in Eastern Ukraine for the last few months doing a 6-month contract there. So it's always kind of interesting to meet someone else from the States. I feel like I'm kind of going away to get away from that culture, but I feel like a lot of the different ideas and kind of thought processes that she had kind of aligned a lot to a lot of the things that I've been thinking recently. So it's definitely very refreshing to see that. So what you guys can see in the background here is the river in Tbilisi. I'm actually going to be taking the cable car up to go to whatever that is up there. I don't even know what it's called, but we're gonna go up and investigate, check it out, and see if there's probably a really good view of the city from up there. I heard it's a good place to go during sunset. Then for the rest of the day after that, I'm probably gonna go back to the apartment. It's super hot out today. Get a shower before going out tonight. So I got some really good recommendations from Ilya and Dasha, who are 2 Russian friends that we met while we were out in the countryside. So I'm probably gonna go to a couple bars, a couple clubs tonight. I think tonight's gonna be the going out night, because the day after tomorrow, we're gonna have to go back to Riga and then eventually to Copenhagen. So we got a lot of big flights ahead of us, but while we're here, we're gonna enjoy the Saturday night in Tbilisi. You guys just felt like doing the tourist thing today? Because he's visiting?
I think so.
Yeah, it makes sense. You guys want to say hello?
Yo, what's up?
For another video? Is it okay? I'm sorry. Guys, so we made it to the top of the mountain, kind of overlooking the city in the background here. I'm not sure what the name of it is, to be honest, the name of the fortress that's up here, but it was 2.5 lari to make it up. Super great panoramic views of the city. You can take that from across the river, as you can see down there. So I was just over there checking out that church. And then I saw that you can take it for 2.5 lari, so we're checking it out.
სწორედ ისეთი როგორც შენია
So we actually figured out how to get up a little higher. If you look behind me here, we're going to go to the top area of the castle, and you can really see out super well from here. So we had to kind of climb over a little wall, had to get our little, I don't know, superhero action going over these walls and stuff, but we made it up pretty much. I'm just going to go up around this corner and see the view from there. Sun's about to set.
Hello, hello,
So we just conquered the mountain. We made it all the way to the top. It was making me a little bit nervous how these couple guys that were flying a drone were at the very, very top. And you had to climb up on this little pedestal to get up there. It's kind of frightening, even though I wasn't the one that was doing it. But it's time to go back now, go back to the Airbnb. I'm gonna shower, rinse off. It's like super hot out still. So I just want to shower, cool off. It's like 8:20 right now. I had a late lunch, so maybe a late dinner. Maybe we go out tonight, I don't know, we'll see.
Awesome.
Good morning guys, so it's our last day here in Tbilisi, so I kind of planned my day out. It's a little bit late. I actually slept in. I needed some sleep, plus we have to get up at 4:15 a.m. Well, that's actually when the flight leaves, so we're probably not even gonna go to sleep. We probably have to get over to the airport at like 2:30, 2:45 a.m. to go to Riga, Latvia, and then originally it was planning to move on to Copenhagen. However, I've actually kind of decided to change plans. I met some friends when I was in Tallinn, Estonia, so I'm actually just gonna fly to Riga tomorrow and miss the second portion of my flight. The only problem is I actually checked luggage, so I'm not sure if that goes on to Copenhagen or if I'm gonna get it in Riga. But either way, I'll figure it out. Even if I lose my luggage at the end of the day, it's just closed. So I'm gonna have to figure out that situation tomorrow. But today in Tbilisi, we're going to head over to the Dry Bridge Market, which is a very famous marketplace on the river a little bit further north. It's about a 20-minute walk. Then we're going to check out an old 6th century church. And then afterwards, I'm planning on going to one of the baths, the indoor baths, basically like sulfur baths. Apparently it's like really, really good for your skin. So we're gonna do that later today and relax, maybe get a massage, just kind of more of a chill day. It was super hot yesterday, and I feel like when you're out in the heat all the time, it really takes a toll on you. And I was planning on going out, but I got back after going to the top of the mountain yesterday at like 8 p.m. Brain's not working right. And I was dead tired. So gonna be more of a chill day today, but I'm gonna go over to this market, maybe get a couple things for my friends and family, check out the church, and then chill the rest of the day, go to the baths, get a massage. Sounds pretty good to me. Hey guys, out here with Georgie. We're on the boat tour here in Tbilisi. It's a beautiful city. Showed me some nice things. We saw the waterfall, we saw a few things, and it's been really good. We're out here right now. It's about 20 lari. Good price, I would say. And yeah, we're having a good time. So we just finished with a boat tour that we totally didn't intend on doing today, but that's okay. It only cost about $6 or $7 US. The guy was super nice. But we're heading over to the Dry Bridge Market right now. Gonna go check it out. It's a local market in the city. They have, it's like a flea market more or less. People are buying and selling different items. So we're walking over there now. We're gonna check it out. Hey guys, so we made it up the hill to the St. Trinity Cathedral. So as you can see in the background, it's a pretty impressive structure. And I actually thought that this was built in the 6th century, but that's actually another church or cathedral that we actually walked past earlier today, and I didn't realize that was the one. This is built in the old Orthodox style, but it was actually built between 1995 and 2004, so it's much newer. It's situated on the top of the hill, on the other side of the river, across from the old town in Tbilisi. It's obviously a beautiful structure, so we're gonna go check it out, but not quite as historical as I once thought. It's only, 15 years old, not 1500 years, which makes, a slight difference, of course. Hello. Alright, so I'm just sitting down now outside of the church. I actually wasn't able to go in because I have shorts on, and that's a no-no. But I just wanted to outline to you guys just a couple of the items that I bought when I was at the Dry Bridge Market a little bit earlier. So if we look here, we have a pin with the Soviet emblem. My camera is not focusing, but that is from the 1964 Olympics. We have this magazine, or newspaper, I guess it's a magazine, from 1947, also from the Soviet Union. That's outlining one of the nuclear bombs that was being built. Obviously at this time the Cold War tensions were starting to heat up post World War II. And then finally I got a painting for my mom. This is the main river that runs through Tbilisi. I actually just did a boat tour earlier today, and there's these like really pretty cliffs here, and I thought this was really nice because my mom's birthday was actually going on. It was my mom's birthday when I was away, so I didn't really get a chance to get her a proper gift, and I thought this would be something that would be nice, so we can give that to her when we get home. Alright guys, so we made it to the location of the Geothermal Spa over here. So these are the sulfur baths. Apparently it's very therapeutic, it's very good for the health. So I did a little bit of research, and it looks like it's about 50 lari per hour, which is equivalent to about 15 euros, about 17 US dollars. So that's gonna get you basically a private room with your own bath, shower, an area to change, free Wi-Fi. So we're gonna go check it out and see what the experience is like. Alright guys, there's a little bit of a wait, but we're actually in the room right now. So it's kind of broken out into a few different rooms, and the price ended up being actually 70 lari as opposed to 50 lari. A couple of the other places didn't really have availability that were a little bit cheaper, but it's pretty nice. I mean, it would be nice, of course, if I was splitting it with someone, it would be even cheaper, but 70 lari comes out to around 25 US dollars, so still not really that expensive. So we have this entry room right here where you can kind of chill. You have your own bathroom here, and then in here you have the sulfur water, which feels really, really hot right now. I'm not sure what this is in the corner, but it is super hot in here. So I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna enjoy. My lens is actually fogging up right now, and I'll check in with you guys after and let you know how it was. All right, so we just finished up our hour at the bath. It was definitely very nice. I was kind of going in and out. It's much cooler in here. As you see, there's a fan running. So I'd go in for like 5 minutes, feel the warmness, and then just come over here and lay down and feel the fan on my body. It felt super nice, just kind of going in and out. And I can't stay in for the full hour. I'm a little bit squeamish when it comes to warm weather, but it definitely feels very good. I feel very refreshed. So I think we're just gonna get dinner now, go back to the Airbnb, and then we get that early flight again tomorrow at 4 a.m.